Pre-Secondary 1, English Mock Paper, Section A, Listening, Part 1. Henry is listening to a radio program at home. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5. You have 30 seconds to study the questions. You may start now. Listen carefully. The radio program will begin now.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sandy Chan. You're listening to You Have a Say. We're here with you from 10 to 11 every Monday to Thursday. If you have anything to say, please fax your messages at 1874 2585. You may also call us at 3133 5533. Today, we've got a fax from an angry customer, Mr. Chow. Let's listen to what he wanted to say. I had an unhappy experience when I went to buy a camera yesterday. My friends advised me to buy a digital camera, so I went to an electronics shop in Mongkok to buy it. At first, the salesperson was very polite. He told me that the model I wanted was sold out. Then he took out another camera and said that one was equally good, and the price was more or less the same. So I asked him to bring me a new one, and he did. That was when he told me the camera was $3,500, which was $1,000 more than the one I wanted at first. I told him it was too expensive. Then he shouted at me that he had already taken the camera out and I must buy it. Another salesperson came and said the same thing rudely. They looked dangerous to me, so I was forced to buy that expensive camera in the end. This was a very unpleasant experience for me, and I wish everyone to know how dishonest this shop is. It is near Mongkok Park. Mr. Chow, I totally understand how you feel. I will try to pass your case to the Consumer Council. Meanwhile, let's take a break.
Check your answers now. Number 1. How often can Henry listen to the program You Have a Say? Number 2. How can people send Sandy a message? Number 3. How many salespeople were there in the shop? Number 4. Why did Mr. Chow buy the camera in the end? Number 5. How did Mr. Chow feel when he sent the message? This is the end of Part 1. Please go on to Part 2. Part 2. Henry is talking with his classmate Angela about the coming school camp for Primary 5 students. Listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10. You have 30 seconds to study the questions. You may start now. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
We're going to our school camp tomorrow. Shall we have breakfast together tomorrow morning?
Sure. When should we meet?
We're going to set off from school at 9, and Miss Chan said we would need to be there 15 minutes earlier. Shall we meet at 8 then?
Sure. Where should we meet? How about at the library?
I think meeting at the canteen would be better. We can have breakfast there.
Good. Let's meet there then.
Have you packed your things yet?
Almost. But I think I've lost my umbrella. I couldn't find it anywhere in my home.
Umbrella? Is it going to rain?
Probably not. It's going to be sunny tomorrow, but I like to be prepared.
I see. So you've packed your swimming trunks, right?
Of course. I'm so looking forward to swimming and playing water ball. How about you?
Well, I don't know how to swim.
Really? Then what are you going to do when we're in the water?
I'll go cycling, and we'll play badminton together. Do you remember?
Yes, of course I remember. We'll have a basketball match with the other classes too.
That's right. There are plenty of activities to do.
But swimming is really fun. I can teach you if you like. You can ask John or Mandy too. They're in the school swimming team.
OK, thanks.
Check your answers now. Number 6. When will Henry and Angela set off from school for the camp? Number 7. Where will Henry and Angela meet? Number 8. Why does Henry want to bring an umbrella? Number 9. Which of the following activities will Angela not do at the camp? Number 10. Who is not good at swimming? This is the end of Part 2. Please go on to Part 3. Part 3. Henry is doing an interview with his schoolmate Erica about eating habits. He is filling in a survey form. Listen carefully and help Henry complete the form. You have 30 seconds to study the form. You may start now. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Hi, my name is Henry. My class is doing a project about students' eating habits. Would you mind answering some questions?
Of course not.
Thanks. First, could you tell me your name?
My name is Erica Coe.
Erica Coe. And you're female. Okay. What class are you in, Erica?
I'm in class 6D.
How old are you, Erica?
I'll turn 12 next week.
So you're 11 now.
Yes.
Okay. How often do you have dinner at home?
Quite often. We only go out to have dinner once a week.
What kind of food do you like most then?
I love fish, especially steamed ones.
Let me write down fish. Okay. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love fruit very much.
Very good. How often do you eat fruit then?
I have an apple after lunch every day. I have another fruit after dinner too.
So you have 2 pieces of fruit every day, right?
I think so.
How about snacks? What kinds of snacks do you like?
I love chocolate, but I don't think I eat snacks a lot. I have a bar of chocolate once every month at most.
I see. That's all. Thanks for answering my questions.
You're welcome.
This is the end of Section A. Please go on to Section B.